Welcome to Oven Foods. Today I'm making homemade pizza. Soft base juicy chicken topping and lots of melted cheese. A perfect bakery style pizza made easily at home without an oven. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 110 ml warm milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Use warm milk, not hot, for yeast activation. Add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well and make a soft dough. Rub some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. Let the dough rest properly for a soft base. Now prepare the chicken topping. Take 1 cup chicken thigh pieces, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Mix well. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Keep aside. Now roll the dough and place it in a 7-inch oil grease mold with baking paper. Prick with a fork. Spread pizza sauce. Add mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese gives the classic stretchy texture. Then capsicum, tomato, onion and cooked chicken pieces. Homemade pizza allows endless customization. Add mozzarella cheese on top. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Pan pizza can be made without an oven. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes on medium-low heat. Homemade pizza is more hygienic. You can control oil and ingredients. Chicken provides protein. Vegetables add vitamins and fiber. Your delicious homemade pizza is ready. Serve hot and enjoy cheesy goodness. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Foods for more easy recipes.